I'm going to fry some fish, Pat answered. I don't want any fish, Tim said. I had fish for lunch.
We can
We can go to a restaurant this evening. That's a good idea, Pat answered. Tim and Pat went to a restaurant. They sat at a table and a waiter brought them a menu. I want some roast beef, Tim said. What do you want, Pat? I want a few chops, Pat said. Tim turned to the waiter. One roast beef and a few chops, please. And we want some potatoes and peas, he said. I'm sorry, sir, the waiter said. We haven't any roast beef, and haven't any few chops. But they're on the menu, Tim said angrily. I'm sorry, sir, the waiter answered. That's
yesterday's
Yesterday's menu.
menu.
What do you suggest? Tim asked.
Well, sir,
The waiter said, we have some nice fresh fish.
Okay, that's good. Now you translate.
Apa untuk makan malam? Tim bertanya. Saya akan menggoreng beberapa ikan. Pat menjawab. Saya tidak ingin beberapa ikan, Tim berkata. Saya telah mendapatkan ikan untuk makan siang. Kita dapat pergi ke sebuah restoran malam ini. Itu adalah sebuah ide yang bagus, Pat menjawab. Tim dan Pat pergi ke sebuah restoran. Mereka duduk di sebuah meja dan seorang pelayan membawakan mereka sebuah menu daftar makanan. Saya ingin beberapa daging sapi panggang, Tim berkata. Apa yang kamu inginkan, Pat? Saya ingin sepotong daging sapi muda, Pat berkata. Tim berbalik ke pelayan. 1 daging sapi panggang dan sepotong daging sapi muda, tolong. Dan kami ingin beberapa kentang dan kacang polong, dia berkata. Saya mohon maaf, Tuan, pelayan itu berkata. Kami tidak mempunyai beberapa daging sapi panggang. Dan kami tidak mempunyai beberapa daging sapi muda. Tapi mereka ada di menu, Tim berkata dengan marah. Saya mohon maaf, Tuan, pelayan itu menjawab. Itu adalah menu yang kemarin. Apa yang kamu sarankan? Tim bertanya. Baik, Tuan, pelayan itu berkata. Kami mempunyai beberapa ikan segar yang enak.
Okay, good. The next one.
Answer this
Answer these
question.
questions. Ada S-nya ujung. Questions. 1.
Is Pat going to fry some fish? Apakah Pat akan menggoreng beberapa ikan? Yes, he is.
2.
Does Tim want any fish? Apakah Tim ingin beberapa ikan? No, he doesn't. 3. Will Tim and Pat go to a restaurant this evening? 3. Akankah Tim dan Pat pergi ke sebuah restoran malam ini? Yes, they will. 4. Did the waiter bring them a menu? 4. Apakah pelayan bawakannya menu daftar makanan? Yes, she did. 5. Doesn't Tim want roast beef? Tidakkah Tim menginginkan daging sapi muda? Yes, he does. 6. Does Pat want a few chops? 6. Apakah Pat menginginkan sebuah daging sapi muda? Yes, he does. 7. Do they want any potatoes and peas? Yes, they do. 8. Can the waiter bring them roast beef and veal chops? Dapatkah pelayan itu membawakannya daging sapi panggang dan daging sapi muda? No, she can't. 9. Aren't they on the menu? Tidakkah makanan-makanan itu ada pada menu daftar makanan? Yes, they are. 10. Is this today's menu? Apakah ini menu hari ini? No, it isn't. 11. Isn't it yesterday's? Yeah. Bukankah itu menu kemarin? Yes, it is. 12. Can the waiter bring some fish? Yes, she. Dapatkah pelayan itu membawa beberapa ikan? Yes, she can. 13. Who is going to fry some fish? 13. Siapa yang akan menggoreng beberapa ikan? Pet. 14. Who went to the restaurant? 14. Siapa yang pergi ke restoran? Tim. 15. Who broke the menu? 15. Siapa yang bawa menu? A waiter. 16. Who wants some roast beef? 16. Siapa yang menginginkan daging sapi panggang? Tim. 17. Who ordered a veal chop? 12. Siapa yang memesan sepotong daging sapi muda? Pet. 18. Is Pet going to fry some fish or is she going to fry some veal chops? 18. Apakah Pet akan menggoreng beberapa ikan atau apakah dia akan menggoreng beberapa daging sapi muda? She is going to fry some fish. 19. Will Tim and Pet go to a restaurant or will they stay at home? Akankah Tim dan Pet akan pergi ke restoran atau akankah dia berada di rumah? They will go to a restaurant. 20. Does Tim want roast beef or does he want a veal chop? 20. Apakah Tim menginginkan daging sapi panggang atau apakah dia menginginkan sepotong daging sapi muda? He wants roast beef. 21. Did Pet order some roast beef or a veal chop? Apakah Pet memesan beberapa daging sapi panggang atau sepotong daging sapi muda? She ordered some veal chop. 22. Did the waiter give them yesterday's menu or today's menu? 22. Apakah pelayan memberikan mereka menu kemarin atau menu hari ini? 22. The waiter gave them yesterday. 23. What is Pet going to fry? She is going to fry some fish. 24. Why doesn't Tim want any fish? Mengapa Tim tidak menginginkan beberapa ikan? Because he had fish for lunch. 25. Where did Tim and Pet go? 25. Kemana Tim dan Pet pergi? They went to a restaurant. 26. What did they order? Apa yang mereka pesan? They ordered roast beef, veal chop, potatoes and fish. 27. Why is the waiter sorry? 27. Mengapa pelayan itu mohon maaf? Because they haven't any roast beef and veal chop. 28. What can the waiter bring them? Apa yang dapat pelayan itu bawakan kepada mereka?
Number?
28.
What can the waiter bring them? Fresh fish.
Fresh fish.
Ikan segar toh? Finish? Just one? Okay, very good. Thank you very much.
Sampai 15.
Oh, 12.